Hello guys, welcome back to another video about the Reef Finance coin guys. In this video I'm talking about the latest price prediction, the latest price update of the Reef Finance coin. But before starting this video, please subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos about your Reef Finance coin. So let's begin and let's start the video. Guys, the currently live price of the Reef Finance in the market is 0.028328 USD dollar. That is the currently live price of the Reef Finance. Furthermore, guys, if we talk about the price changes when the Reef Finance so now last 1 hour, last 1 day, from yesterday. From yesterday, the completely changes of the refinance is going wrong. The price changes is negative. That's why, guys, a lot of people are worrying about that what's going on in the refinance going. But you know what? Don't worry about these changes. Everything will be okay. You have to just patience. You have to just wait, guys. Don't worry about refinance. Now let me show you the price chart of the refinance for more and better understanding. Guys, you can see from this price chart 69% positive changes over in the refinance. So if the changes is positive, that's mean that you are getting profit from refinance. Furthermore, guys, if you talk about the price chart of the refinance, so from a price chart it is also clear this that they are in the pumping mood, and I hope, guys, to the last of September the price of reef will continue this kind of pump. Guys, again I recommend for you that please hold, don't decide to sell, just hold to the last of month. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel.